Hello everyone, this is Srinivasan Gunabalan from 2M Biotech, and here today I will be explaining our new product Seaweed based biopolymers. So we are a DPIET registered startup, and we have our own manufacturing unit that produces biopolymer granules. We have our R&D team, all were based in India, and we have our site at Ramanathapuram, Tamil Nadu. The problem is the plastic problem is well known all around the world, and it is well studied, and most all the countries are taking necessary steps to combat the plastic pollution. At the same time, there is another problem that we have is the big companies or the FCMG companies or any company, they don't have any good alternative material for packing, which is as versatile as plastic and has the properties of plastic like inert and those properties. So these companies also don't have any current alternatives so that they can move on. The another issue that we can see is also due to the abundant growth of seaweed. There has been a biological imbalances, which is why many countries are nowadays cleaning the seaweeds from their seashore area and they are dumping it on the lands. They don't know what to do with that huge seaweed, what they have collected from the seaweeds or collected from the oceans. So our solution is to have a polymer based on the seaweed. So it will be a compostable, ethically sourced seaweed biopackaging, and also that is designed for mass production. So the keywords here is compostability and adaptability for mass production, and it can be processed with the existing machinery. So this is our patented technology. This covers from the procurement of seaweed from the farmers, which is still in the leaf and with dirt and everything, till the production of granules, which can be used on the existing plastic machinery to produce the products of our interest. What is the competitive advantage we have with the other manufacturers is like many biopolymer manufacturers in India, they are importing more than 80% of the raw materials, but the seaweed based solution doesn't need to import any raw material from abroad. Also, unlike starch, which is obtained from corn or cassava, this doesn't need to be grown on lands and there is no need for watering the plants. So this saves water, which can be used for other purposes too. And the existing seaweed based polymers in India, they are not industrially scalable because they are producing the direct finished product. But here we are producing the granules which can be distributed to other manufacturers who can buy and they can utilize it. It's same with the machinery. So any existing plastic manufacturer who produces spoons or cups, they can buy the granules from us and they can produce the end products at their facility, which makes the product compostable. Target market, currently the focus is on the small packaging in the FCMG sector. So the small packaging means from there are some many products that comes in 10 ml to 100 ml denominations. These comes in a plastic container. So the initial target and the current focus is on to replace this one with the seaweed based biopolymers so that it becomes compostable, and also the bottle cap. So when you buy a glass bottle, you need to put the cover in a the cover will be on the plastic. Rather, if you use this, we can also use these seaweed based granules to make the bottle caps. Some textile companies also interested to replace the tags, the pricing or the brand tags, which is currently in plastic, with these biopolymers or seaweed based biopolymers. Synergies and strategic values for HDFC. So many big companies are already migrating to sustainable solutions or supporting the sustainable solution. HDFC, one of the valuable companies in India, can utilize this opportunity to fund a company that focuses on sustainable solutions, which is has an Indian technology, patentable technology, and also it is a globally potential technology which can be scaled up faster because of the market size and also because of the promising technology. Many companies or many banks are also interested to move from normal plastic based credit cards or debit cards or ATM cards to compostable biopolymer based credit cards, which will be easy for recycling, or the end of life option will be like to in a composting facility would be a better alternative. Then social impact is like 0% of plastic packing itself a very good social impact. Apart, it's like the existing plastic manufacturing unit can use it, which is also good selling point, and also which is because there are many small industries which are already in the plastic manufacturing, and if you suddenly stop this manufacturing or suddenly ban the plastic manufacturing, then it's hard for them to survive. So at that case, if we give the our granules as a substitute which produces a compostable product, it will be a very good enhances the livelihood of them, and also it provides some promising future for them, because they don't need to invest on the machinery, they can use the existing facility. So revenue, we have only two revenues. Inside India we will be producing the granules, and outside India we will be uh, licensing the technology for a royalty based licensing, so we will be earning from the royalties. Early traction, there are these are the companies that are interested. Gamma is a textile company which is interested to replace plastic based name tags, and Unilever and Colgate Palmolive are interested in the small container plastic containers, bioplastic containers, seaweed based containers, so that they can pack the small items like lip balms on those things. Zerco is a seaweed based company, like they produce seaweed body personal care, so they want to have the packaging in the seaweed too. Our product is 100% locally produced, waste to wealth, because many of these seaweeds are end up in a waste. Possible existing plastic machine manufacturer can buy and utilize this. So this is our team. Myself is Srinivasan Gunabalan, and I have MSIT, and we have Nagaratnam Raku. Dr. Sudhakar Muniswamy has 18 plus years of experience in biopolymer, and he is our technical consultant. We also have Mr. Perisamy Subramaniam, CEO, who is providing a valuable guidance in the startup sector. Fund requirement is the quantum of fund requirement 7 lakh. Currently, we are having outsourcing some of the works to the other person. So having this would fasten the work. It will have to fasten the work. It will speed up our production. These are some of the samples. This has the reference to what are the figures I have given in the slides. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.